Hello and welcome to AzureWala YouTube channel. We are in part 9 of Azure Solutions Architect Expert series. So far we have completed 13 questions in previous videos. Today we are going to discuss question number 14. Before we proceed with today's topic, I would like to inform you that we are providing online instructor-led hands-on Azure trainings. If interested, please feel free to reach me on this WhatsApp number. Question 14. You need to design an architecture to capture the creation of users and the assignment of roles. The captured data must be stored in Azure Cosmos DB. Which services should you include in the design? So we are given 4 options and we need to select 2 services out of these 4 options to fit into this diagram. So service number 1 will come here and service number 2 will come here. So first objective here is to capture the audit log using the first service. Let's go to learn.microsoft.com to understand it better. We are on learn.microsoft.com under EntraID, under Microsoft EntraID, under monitoring and health. We open one article which explains us how to stream activity logs to an EventHub. So let's understand how we can stream logs to an EventHub. So we will have to sign into Microsoft Entra Admin Center as at least a security administrator, and then we will have to go to identity, monitoring and health, and under diagnostic settings. Let's open Microsoft Entra Admin Center. We are on Microsoft Entra Admin Center. We'll go to identity. Under identity, we'll go to monitoring and health. Under monitoring and health, we'll go to diagnostic settings. Under diagnostic settings, we'll click on add diagnostic settings. And here we can select the audit log. Under destination, we can stream it to EventHub. So we can select our EventHub and configure it and provide the diagnostic setting name. Here we will not see the event grid option. Only we can stream our events to EventHub. Let's go back to question. Therefore, first choice to collect the audit log would be the EventHub. Let's see what next service we can use to store into Cosmos DB. We are on Azure Function page and we are on the article of consuming events with Azure Functions. Azure Functions support trigger and output bindings for EventHub. That means we can use the EventHub as a source which can trigger with the help of Azure Function. And Azure Function responds to events sent to an EventHub event stream using triggers. Therefore, we can consume the events from EventHub and utilize into Azure Function app. Now we would like to make an output to Cosmos DB. So let's move to another article. Again in Azure Functions, we'll look into Azure Cosmos DB output binding for Azure Function 2.x and higher. So here it explains that how we can bind the Azure function to Cosmos DB, and the Azure Cosmos DB output binding lets you write a new document to an Azure Cosmos DB database using SQL API. Let's go back to question. Therefore, in the second service which can read the events from EventHub can be Azure Functions, and that can write to Cosmos DB as well. Therefore, Azure EventHubs is the correct answer and Azure Functions is the correct answer. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.